Alrighty, so this is what I got. This is the return. And this is the bun right here that I had welded on. Well, I figured it was too close to the frame, so I was gonna have to move it or put a cap it and put another one in there, but I think it's gonna work. So let me put this line on here and I'll bring you right back. Alrighty, so you see, I got this line up in here that hooks up in there fine. Let me get some better light on here for you. There you go. So yeah, you can see that right here. I got that screwed on there. I'm gonna tie this up to the frame, and then that's gonna go around above the shock there and then over to the fuel pump. And I'm gonna tie it up so that way it's not rubbing against anything. I got some really good ties for this. And then we'll get back over here to the fuel pump. And this is, I got the line run here from the fuel pump down around. I'm gonna hook it here with a bracket. I have something to keep the hose apart, which I put one here, and I'm gonna put one down there too. And then we'll tighten the brackets up for right here. So we got something going on here, man. And these are the tie downs I got for it right there. When I tighten these up right here, I'll probably tighten them up so they're not coming down like this, where they're probably going up. That way that I'll hold it up with a brace and a bracket. I'm gonna brace everything up. And that won't be touching. I'll pull that away, it's just touching right now. So anyhow, that's what I got going on. So I wanted to tighten the gas tank up, get it all up in there right, so I can check up all the lines, make sure I got everything that I need. And honestly, I don't think I could have went any shorter with these, so I think they'll be just fine. Right, let me bring it back. Man, so it's all fun and games, right? So anyhow, I got all the lines mocked up. I got everything hooked up. I'm gonna take everything back down because I want to paint that gas tank again. I'm sorry, just me. So once I get that pulled out, get the gas tank painted, I can put everything back up there. I can go ahead and straighten up the lines, you know, put my braces on them and my brackets on them, and I got them around here somewhere. So this right here, I put another bracket on there for the dash 10. I got some other ones around here for the dash 8. So, or even the dash 10 would probably work, you know what I'm saying? Put both lines together in them or something. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But anyhow, I just wanted to show you guys where we're at, what's going on. I didn't get as much done over Christmas vacation as I wanted, but I did get something done. So we're going to continue working on the car, try to do it after work a little bit every day. And we're going to continue making progress. That's all there is to it. So I appreciate you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you guys are awesome. If anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. You guys have a great day, night, whatever time it is you watch this. And again, thank you.